How you doing? This is Ryan with McBrideAdventures.com. We're at the beginning of our Pacaya hike, which is an active volcano outside of Antigua. Nothing but incline. Just 4 kilometers, no big deal. Almost there. This is like Lord of the Rings type stuff. Well, we made it about as far as we can go. Pacaya erupted last year and destroyed all the towns to the north. There's 33 volcanoes in Guatemala, 3 of which are active, and 2 of which, of those active, are in Antigua. If we went any further, we'd be barbecued. There's a lot of openings that are extremely hot, and further up you go, the hotter it gets. As you can see back here, there's the tree line, which comes right into the lava flow, and the lava flow runs all the way down into the town, and you can see some of the destroyed remnants.